Welcome back to Math with Mrs. Jackson. Today we are doing Chapter 2, Lesson 8, Count Back to Subtract. Okay, so yesterday we did count forwards for addition. Today we're counting backwards for subtraction. And our main tool is going to be our number line again today. But that's not the only way to figure out a math problem. It's just one tool. For example, I also have my material or my manipulatives right here. And there's also always drawing pictures or using your hands, okay? And the first thing we need to do is write our name. So if your name is Patrick, then you would write Patrick. If your name is Hayden, then you would write Hayden. If your name is Jordan, then you would write Jordan. If your name is Abigail, you're going to write Abigail. But since my name is Mrs. Jackson, I'm going to write Mrs. Jackson. And our date is 4-9-20. All right, now let's go ahead and read what it's asking us to do. Model the story. There are 8 students in a line. 2 of them leave. How many students are left? Okay, so we know our whole and we know one part. So we got to figure out the other part. So we start at 8. And we count backwards because we are subtracting. So 8 and 2 leave. So minus 2. 1, 2. What's my other part? 6. 6 scholars. 6 students are left. And we can also use our manipulative right here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 students, 8 manipulatives. 2 of them left. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our missing part is 6. 6 students. Okay. So now we're on Think and Grow, and we have Newton and Descartes. Newton says, to subtract, count back. And Descartes says, start at 8, count back 3. So our problem says 8 minus 3. So we start at 8, and we count back 3. 1, 2, 3. And our missing part, our difference, is 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay? Show and grow. All right, so this is the part where I'm going to work with you on number 1, and you are going to do number 2, and I will work with you on number 3, and you will do number 4. And if at any point you need to pause, go ahead and pause. All right, so let's read our equation. 5 minus 4. So we need to start at 5, and we need to go back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is our difference, our missing part? 1. We can always double check with our hands. 5 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we have left? 1. Okay? Now go ahead and pause the video so you can do number 2. And then we will move on to number 3. Okay, so let's see. 6 minus 1. So we need to start at 6. And we count back 1. We do 1 jump. 1. What is our difference? Our missing part? 5. Do it again on your fingers to help you. Just double check. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay? All right, so now you are doing number 4. So again, pause it for as long as you need and then start the video back up. All right, So now we're at the Apply and Grow practice page. So let's go ahead and look. We have 5 and 6 that are using the number line right here. It's already there for you. So we start at 10 and we have to go back to 6. So let's go ahead. We'll start at 10 and I will go back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is my missing part or my difference? Very good, it's 4. Okay, so now if you want to use this for number 6, all you have to do is erase it and use your numbers for number 6. Okay, or you can draw your own number line. 1 or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you would start at 9 and go back. Okay? So you do number 6. All right. Number 7 you can do, and number 8 you can do. We will do number 9 together, and I want to see you do number 10 on your own. All right. So let's see. Let's go ahead. We're going to draw our number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I need to start at 7. I need to go back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's my difference? My missing part? 1. Okay. All right. Now, looking at number 11, it's showing you what their number line already is looking at, and it wants you to write the matching equation. Oh, there's our whole. So we need to write 9 in our whole. And then it's telling you how many you're subtracting. So let's count how many to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We subtracted 5. And our missing part is 4. So again, we started at 9. That was our whole. And then we counted how many bumps, how many hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hops. And our answer, our difference, was 4. Okay, so now we're on the Think and Grow Modeling Real Life page. There are 5 students on one side of a table and 5 students on the other. 7 students leave. How many students are left? So 5 on one side, 5 on the other. So that's a double. 5 and 5 equals 10. So we know that we're starting off at the number 10 because our double of 5 and 5 is 10. Now it says 7 students leave. Okay, so our first step was we did 5 plus 5 students to see how many. That equaled 10. So there's our 10. Now it says 7 students leave. So we need 10 minus 7. Okay, so let's hop together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is our difference? Our missing part? Yep, very good. It's 3. Okay, so there are 3 students left. All right, now let's do number 12. You have 4 board games and 4 card games. Okay, so let's do that part first. We know our double. 4 and 4 is 8. Our double right there. 4 and 4 equals 8. So we already know step 1. Okay? You give 3 games to your friend. How many games do you have left? So now we have another part to our problem. We have a whole of 8 games, and we give 3 games to our friend. So 8 minus 3. So we need to jump back 3. 1, 2, 3. What is our difference, our missing part? Very good. It is 5. So 5 games left. Okay, so now we're at the practice page. You are using your number line right here over and over again. So if you want, I will show you with number 1 how to do it without making marks everywhere. And then I want to see you do 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, all on your own. Ready? So let's start at 5. 5, and I need to go back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's my missing part? 1. Okay, and if I make any marks, I might need to erase it so I can reuse it for number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? All right, I love you. Here is the very last page in our math packet for the week. All right? So number 7, structure. Write the problem shown. So we need to look at this again. We see where our hole is. Our hole is 9. We need to count how many bumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 bumps, 7 jumps. So minus 7. And it equals our missing part, our difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, we counted back 7. Our missing part is 2. So 9 minus 7 equals 2. Modeling real life. You have 4 star stickers and 4 heart stickers. You give 6 away. How many stickers do you have left? So start with step 1 of 4 and 4 equals, okay? 4 and 4. 4 and 4. Boom. That's our double. You should have gotten 8. All right? Now you need to see that you give 6 away. So 8 minus 6. So you start at 8 because that's your whole. And we need to go back, hop back 6 to find our missing part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing. We found our missing part. Our difference is 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 2 stickers left. Okay? Now, use the pictures to write the related equations. So you need to remember, if they're flying towards the nest, you're doing a plus, an addition. If they're flying away, you're doing a subtraction. I want to see you do those ones on your own, okay? And that's the end of our math lessons for the week. Boys and girls, I absolutely love you, and I hope you have a great weekend.